Happy Clappy! Hey, little explorers! Are you ready to meet the stars of the sea? Let's clap, sing, and sparkle with me. Common starfish, common starfish, common starfish. Orange and bright, lives in the sea. What a sight! Common starfish can grow a new arm. Wiggle your fingers like starfish arms. Wiggle, wiggle. Blue sea star, blue sea star, blue sea star. Shiny and true, hiding in coral, peekaboo. Blue sea star's blue color keeps enemies away. Point to something blue around you. Red knob star, red knob star, red knob star. Spiky and red, walk so slow on its coral bed. Those red bumps protect it like armor. Show your muscles, you're strong like a red knob star. Crown of thorns, crown of thorns, crown of thorns. Spiky and tall, king of the reef, ruler of all. Crown of thorns eats coral for dinner. Make a crown with your hands, you're the coral king. Sunflower star, sunflower star, sunflower star. Arms so wide, crawl so fast through the ocean tide. Sunflower star can have up to 24 arms. Bat star, bat star, bat star. Round and flat, looks like a bat. Imagine that. Bat starfish hugs its food before eating. Biscuit star, biscuit star. Chubby and small, looks like a cookie. That's not all. Biscuit star found in the warm Aussie sea. Chocolate chip, chocolate chip, chocolate chip starfish. Brown and sweet, on sandy beaches it takes a seat. Those chips are spikes, not treats. Fire brick, fire brick, fire brick star. Red as flame, colorful beauty, that's its name. Fire brick's color helps it hide in coral. Sparkle like fire, flicker, flicker. Cushion star, cushion star, cushion star. Soft and round, resting quietly on the ground. Cushion star puffs up when scared. Royal star, royal star. Purple and gold, wearing a crown so bold. It's found in the deep blue Atlantic. Bow like a royal star, your majesty. Pacific blood star, Pacific blood star, Pacific blood star. Tiny and red, cleans the ocean floor, it's said. It keeps the ocean clean, a sea helper. Pretend to sweep the sea. Swish, swish. Green brittle star, green brittle star, green brittle star. Quick and shy, wiggles fast and waves goodbye. Green brittle star moves faster than any starfish. Wiggle your arms really fast. Go, go, go! Feather star, feather star, feather star. Flying free, waves its arms beneath the sea. Feather star swims like a bird underwater. Flap your arms like feather star. Float and fly! Spiny cushion, spiny cushion, spiny cushion. Bumpy and bright. Soft but spiky, what a sight. Spiny cushion spikes keep hungry fish away. Touch your elbows, pretend they're spikes. Doughboy star, doughboy star, doughboy star. Soft and round in sandy beds, it's always found. What looks like a black hole, pretend to be but double stars. Space! Space! Now there's a sea free of stars. Starfishes, starfishes, slim and far. Under the ocean, they shine like stars. Starfishes, starfishes, sparkle and play.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.